Accidentally closed Excel without saving your work on your Mac. Don't panic. Here are 5 ways to recover an unsaved Excel file on Mac. Method 1. Relaunch Excel. First, simply reopen Excel. In the case that you have enabled autosave, Excel will prompt you to open and restore the unsaved workbook whenever you launch the program, if there is any change unsaved onto your file. Method 2. Check the AutoRecovery folder. Also, you can manually restore unsaved Excel file by searching the files in AutoRecovery location on your Mac. The AutoRecovery location for different versions of Microsoft Excel is different. You can find the paths as follows. And here I will show you how to recover on my Mac. Click on Finder app on your Mac, go to Go, then go to Folder. Paste the location according to your Excel version. Hit Enter. There will be files with AutoRecovery save of in the file name, or starts like this. Open the unsaved files and check if they are the wanted files. Method 3. Use System Data Recovery. If the previous methods don't work, try System Data Recovery. It is one of the best Mac data recovery software to recover unsaved, deleted and damaged Office files. And it also can recover photos, emails, videos, audios, archives, and other documents from internal or external hard drive, flash drive, memory stick, memory card, etc. First, install and launch the program on your Mac. As you may notice, Cisdem supports different modes of file recovery, like hardware disk, SD card, iCloud, even unbootable Mac. Also, it saves scanning records. We just need to choose hardware disk, and select the drive where your Excel files were saved. Then click on Search for lost data to start the scanning. The scanning may take several seconds to hours according to your drive capacity. Cisdem allows users to access unsaved files from both Path and Type tab. Besides unsaved files, Cisdem recovers a lot of types of files that are deleted or lost, including photos, videos, documents, audio, archives, emails, bookmarks, and others. And you can preview photos, videos, or documents easily. When the files are found, you can stop the scanning, or wait until the deep scan finishes. Check the unsaved files. Go to Excel folder. Double-click to preview the files. If they are the wanted files, select and click Recover button. Besides Excel files, System Data Recovery also recover unsaved Keynote, Numbers, PowerPoint, Word and Pages documents. If you want to find back the unsaved Office documents, give System Data Recovery a try. Method 4. Check the temporary folder. If you haven't configured autosave or auto-recover, you can try to recover Excel files that not saved on Mac from the temporary folder by locating Excel temp files. Open Terminal on your Mac, type this command and hit Enter. Then it opens Temporary Files folder. Scroll down to find the folder named Temporary Items and check if the unsaved Excel file is there. If the file doesn't come with file extension XLSX, you need to change the file extension to XLSX first, then open in Excel app and save. Method 5. Restore a previous version. Still unable to restore the unsaved Excel file? Maybe you should try restoring a latest version of the file to avoid starting over. The Version History tool in Excel will help you find and restore an unsaved Excel from an earlier version. That's it. Try these 5 methods before giving up on your unsaved Excel file. And thanks for watching.